pie chart shows how Sue spent her money. The amount of money spent is also represented by the bar graph shown. The bars for the amount of money spent on meals and transport have not been drawn. So look at the title of the bar graph, amount of money spent, okay? And they give us, okay, the books and the clothes. So what I will do is I will figure out the actual number first. And I know that there are 5 intervals. Each intervals will be 10 because 50 divided by 5, each will give us 10. So clothes will be 80. Okay, then after that, what else? So we need to draw meals. Okay, so I'm going to highlight meals in green. I will highlight, okay, transport in blue. The only thing I know about meals is that it's half of the total amount of money she spent. So what else do I know? Then you have to try to make linkages. So which is the only thing that I'm given? Books, but no fraction. Clothes. Oh, got fraction here. So, okay. For pie chart, if you can, you either solve it in fractions or percentage. So for most people, I think you prefer percentage, then you just change to percentage. Okay, but if you prefer fraction, then go ahead fraction. Okay, but sometimes, okay, this is something that I want to run through. Sometimes if the fraction is 1/6, can we change to percentage or not? No, then you have to solve it in fractions, understand? And the denominator must be the same. So I'm going to finish this up. And then how many more? Okay, then I finished already. This is the last question. Okay, so now 20% in this case stands for how many? How much money? $80. Okay. And what percentage? Okay, I didn't even read the first question. What percentage of her money did she spend on clothes? Your answer is already there, 20%. You are just converting the fraction here to percentage. And that will give you 1 mark. Do you even need to do anything? Compare the pie chart and the bar graph? Nothing. It's just converting that fraction. That will give you 1 mark. What fraction of her money did she spend on books? So, before you can find the fraction of money, you need to find out what? The total amount of money. So, you can find 100%. This is A. So, I will get $400. Then, what fraction of money did she spend on books? So, you will put books out of the total. Do we know the books? Yes, books is $50. Total is 400. So, the answer is 1 out of 8. Okay, later let me have a look at yours. You didn't even find the total. Okay, later I will run through your... But you will need to find either the... Wait, let me see. Books. You will need to find the total. Okay, if not, then later I'll take a look at your steps. 12.5 out of 100. That means you are telling me that the books is 12.5%. Yeah, so if you found that, then you can do the other way. Okay, I will look at your steps and explain to you later. I know. Draw the bars of the amount of money on meals and transport in the graph shown above, and it's 3 marks. So how do I do it? So now, because you know that 50% is meals, so we know that 20% is $80. So 10% will be, divide by 2, 10% will be $40. So meals is 50%. So that will be $40 times 5, which is 200. Or you can take $400 divide by 2. That will also give you half of it, which is $200. This will be your meals. Okay, so you have found one of it. So next, if you have found the meals, okay, you found the clothes, can you find the transport Yes, so this is $50. So what can I do? I can take $400 minus $200 minus the books, which is 50, minus the clothes, which is 80. What is the amount of money that you will have? 70. So this will be for the transport. Then the next thing is to draw the graph carefully. So if I were you, $200 is easy. Okay, I just need to make sure that, okay, $70, just need to be a bit careful. Don't, okay, draw the wrong line. 70 will be here. Okay, use your ruler. Mark out where 70. So this must be 70, this must be 200. Double check. So if you ask me this question, 5 marks, not difficult to get to. Which makes up 5% of your overall score already. Okay, so don't lose marks for this. And usually it's about 5 to 8 marks in the paper.